Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are well. If you also want to convert your old and low resolution images into high resolution images in this way, then this video is for you. This work of yours will be done in just one click through AI. So, let's start the video and know that these images were in very low resolution and how I converted them to high resolution. For this, first, we will open Google Chrome and write replicate here and enter. Now we have to go to this link of replicate, then it will open something like this. First of all, you have to create an account here. You have to click on sign in and click on sign in with GitHub. Enter the password and sign in. If you don't have an account, then you have to click on create account. First of all, you have to give your username, you have to give your email address, and you have to enter the password and a little below. You have to click on verify, and this is to make this animal in the hand direction through arrows. You have to click on submit like this. You have to click on create account. You can save the password if you want, otherwise, it is okay. A verification code will be sent to your email. You have to enter here where you can see that we have received an email from GitHub. We have to open it and copy this code. We shall come back to this tab and paste it. After that you have to click on authorize replicate. Now your account has been created on replicate. We will come down a little. Here you have to upload your image. Click on upload. I take an image from the downloads. Now we select this image, which is in a very low resolution, and upload the image. We'll come down a little and click on submit. If you want to increase the resolution of your photo, then here you have to change the scale. The more you increase the scale, the more the resolution of your image will increase. So for now I keep only 2. Our image is ready and you can see the difference in front of you, that our previous image, how low resolution it is. Now I will download it and compare it. You can see this is our previous image, also see its size, and this is the converted image from our replicate. Look up the size. We open them both. This is our first image, which looks like this after zooming. Here is our high resolution. You can see the difference, and the most interesting thing is that there is no watermark and it does not spoil the image as well. You can also upscale your personal old images. You can see this tool is completely free so far, so you also upscale your low resolution images and give me feedback by commenting how you like this video. I hope you will like this video, and if you like the video, like the channel and subscribe for the first time and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.